day and welcome to my channel. This is Income Up Premium. I want to do, as usual, a short tutorial on how to connect your Ton wallet to Hamster Kombat. I've done a number of series on Hamster Kombat. As you can see from this interface, it will be listed on the Ton blockchain with high expectation, at least from the month of July. Now let me claim my 2.3 million that has been mined on my behalf on my exchange. I've done that already. How to make the most of these airdrops. You can check my channel. But what I want to do today is how to connect your Ton wallet, just very briefly. You can see it here at the extreme right. Just click on the icon, on the airdrop icon. You will see airdrop tasks. Listing is on this way. Tasks will appear below. Complete them to participate in the airdrop. Task list. The major task here is for now is for you to connect your Ton wallet. There are different types of Ton wallet. I have connected mine. We have that of the Telegram wallet, which is advisable to connect. They say connect Ton wallet. I just click on it. You can see it here. This one here, the first one here, is that of Telegram. You can see the symbol of Telegram. Then we have other Ton wallets that are listed here. 4 of them. We have the Ton Keeper. We have the My Ton Wallet. We have Ton Up. We have the wallet. We have Big Get wallet. We have another wallet. So it depends on the one you want to use. Now, if I will advise, because I'm also using a Ton Keeper. I'm using a Ton Keeper wallet. I think I have it here. This is a Ton Keeper wallet. This is the symbol. You can use this non-custodian wallet. This non-custodian wallet. That means it's you that have the sole control over whatever you store on this wallet. I have done a number of videos on custodian and a non-custodian wallet. A custodian wallet are the wallet you place in. Sorry, this is still populating. There's no point. Let's return back. The way it takes time, then you just put your passcode. Then in that non-custodian wallet, you have keywords, key phrase, secret phrase that are 12 in number. So all you need to do is to write them in a secure place. If anyone have access to it, that means your wallet can be compromised and they can steal all what you have there as coins and your token. So all you need to do is to just come here, connect the wallet. Just click on connect. It's a very simple thing. Once you click on connect, if you want to connect to Telegram, click the first one on top. It will take you to Telegram wallet, which is very, very secure. Just connect it, put your password. Then this the other Ton Keeper, all you need is your password. You don't need to be entering your passphrase every time you are connecting. Once you connect, just come back to say check. To check it, and once you check, it will say successful. That means your wallet have been connected with respect to the listing. So that is it. If it's your first time or coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. When you subscribe, hit the notification button so that when I come up with video like this, you'll be notified. Also like the video so that more people can have access and see the video. Thank you. And I must also say that if it's your first time also of coming across Hamster Kombat, you will not register, check the description. You will see the link to register, and also you will see my WhatsApp group or other means of getting across to me. There are other links, very, very important links in this ongoing bull run that you can start mining the free airdrops, and I will give you a photo. Thank you, and God bless you. Stay blessed.